Chapter 12. Time. Kid 2 is getting ready for the school. It is the first day of the new class. The clocks given below show timings for some activities at his school. Write the time shown on each clock. Reading time to the exact minute. Malini is teaching Minnie to read time to the exact minute. A clock has numbers marked 1 to 12. These show hours. 1 minute. In between the hours, there are smaller parts. Each part shows 1 minute. Let's number all the minutes on a clock. Looking at the clock, we see that there are 60 small parts or 60 minutes marked on the clock. If the minute hand is on number 3, it shows 15 minutes. If the minute hand is on one small part ahead of 8, it shows 41 minutes. Let's read the minute in the clocks below. Minute hand is 2 parts ahead of 9, which means 47 minutes. Time 7 hours 47 minutes. Minute hand is 3 parts ahead of 1, which means 8 minutes. Time 5 hours 8 minutes. Minute hand is on 6. This means 30 minutes. Time 12 hours 30 minutes. Reading time in AM and PM. A day has 24 hours. A clock is marked with 12 hours. The hour hand takes 2 rounds of a clock. Each round is of 12 hours. Remember, AM stands for ante-meridiem and PM stands for post-meridiem. The hour hand takes 2 rounds of a clock. Each round is of 12 hours. We use AM for the first 12 hours, 12 midnight till 12 noon. We use PM for the next 12 hours, 12 noon till 12 midnight. Midnight 12 AM, noon 12 AM. Midnight 12, noon 12, midnight 12 AM, PM. Kittu woke up and saw the time as 6 o'clock. Kittu understood that it was 6 AM in the morning and started getting ready for his school. 24-hour clock. Malini told Minnie about the 12-hour clock and 24-hour clock. The wristwatches and clocks that we use have the 12-hour clocks. In 12-hour clock, the hours start from 1, 2, 3 till 12 and then start again from 1, 2 and so on. The 24-hour clock time does not use AM and PM. In 24-hour clock, the time from midnight to noon is same, but after 12 noon, the hour increased to 13, 14 and so on till the 24th hour. Time begins from midnight, which is indicated as 0000 hours. 0000 hours is also written as 2400 hours, which means the day is over. The first 2 zeros stand for hours and the next 2 zeros stand for minutes. The table alongside shows the time in 12-hour and 24-hour clocks. 1 AM is written as 0100 hours. 1:30 PM is written as 1330 hours. 4 PM is written as 1600 hours. The 24-hour clock time is used by the railways and the airlines. 12-hour clock time to 24-hour clock time. If the time given is before 12 noon, write the same hours and minutes in the 24-hour clock format. For example, 5:20 AM. Here, time is before 12 noon, so we write 5:20 AM as 0520 hours. So, 5:20 AM is 0520 hours. If the time given is 12 noon and beyond it, add 12 to the hour part of the given time. For example, 6:15 PM. Here, time is beyond 1 PM, so add 12 to the hour part. 6 plus 12 is equal to 18 hours. 6:15 PM is 1815 hours. Example 1. Change the activities of Kittu to 24-hour clock time. Brushing teeth at 6:05 AM. 6:05 AM is 0605 hours. B. having his breakfast at 6:40 a.m. 6:40 a.m. is 0640 hours. C. Science class in school at 1:15 p.m. Time is beyond 12 noon at 12 to the hour part of given time. 1 plus 12 is equal to 13 hours. So, 115 is 1315 hours. D. Studying in the evening at 7:30 p.m. Time is beyond 1 p.m. So add 12 to the hour part. 7 plus 12 is equal to 19 hours. Therefore, 7:30 p.m. is equal to 1930 hours. 24-hour clock time to 12-hour clock time. In this case, use AM if number of hours is less than 12. Example 0400 hours. Here, number of hours is less than 12, so time according to 12-hour clock is 4 am. If number of hours is more than 12, then subtract 12 from the number of hours given and use PM. Example 3. 1640 hours. Here, number of hours is more than 12, so we subtract 12 from 16 hours and add PM. 16 minus 12 is equal to 4. Time according to 12-hour clock is 4:40 p.m. A. If number of hours is equal to 00, we write 12 in place of hours. 12 mm am. If number of hours is less than 12 but not 00, we write the time hours HH mm am. HH stands for hours and mm stands for minutes. Example 4. Change to 12-hour clock time. A. 0045 hours. Number of hours is equal to 00. So time according to 12-hour clock time is 12:45 am. 0045 hours is equal to 12:45 am. B. 0515 hours is equal to 5:15 am. Here numbers of hours is less than 12. C. 1800 hours. Here, number of hours is more than 12, so we subtract 12 from 18. 18 minus 12 is equal to 6. So, 1800 hours is equal to 6 p.m. D. 2015 hours. Here, number of hours is more than 12, so we subtract 12 from 20. 20 minus 12 is equal to 8. So, 2015 hours is equal to 8:15 p.m. Units of time. There are 12 big and 60 small divisions on the face of a clock. The time taken by the second hand to move from one small division to the next is 1 second. 1 second's hand completes one full round of the clock's face. The minute hand moves to the next small division. Thus, 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. When the minute hand completes one full round, the hour hand moves by one big division. Thus, 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Time is measured in seconds, minutes and hours. Conversion of time. Hours to minutes. To convert hours to minutes, multiply the number of hours by 60. Example 5. Kittu spends 6 hours in school. Find out how many minutes does she spend in school. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 6 hours is equal to 6 into 60 minutes is equal to 360 minutes. Answer. Kittu spends 360 minutes in school. Example 6. Convert the following to minutes. A. 3 hours 45 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 3 hour 45 minutes is equal to 3 hours plus 45 minutes is equal to 3 into 60 minutes plus 45 minutes is equal to 180 minutes plus 45 minutes is equal to 225 minutes. Answer. 225 minutes. B. 2 hours 30 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 2 hours 30 minutes is equal to 2 hours plus 30 minutes is equal to 2 into 60 minutes plus 30 minutes is equal to 120 minutes plus 30 minutes is equal to 150 minutes. Answer 150 minutes. Minutes to hours. To convert minutes to hours, divide the numbers of minutes by 60. Example 7. Convert the minutes to hours. A. 480 minutes is equal to 480 divided by 60 is equal to 8 hours. Answer 8 hours. B. 320 minutes. 320 divided by 60. 320 divided by 60 gives quotient 5 and remainder 20. So, 320 minutes is equal to 5 hours 20 minutes. Answer 5 hours 20 minutes. Minutes to seconds. To convert minutes to seconds, multiply the number of minutes by 60. Example 8. Kittu takes 30 minutes in finishing her lunch. Convert the time taken in seconds. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Time taken to finish the lunch is equal to 30 minutes is equal to 30 into 60 seconds is equal to 1800 seconds. Answer 1800 seconds. Example 9. Malini finishes her yoga exercise in 45 minutes 30 seconds. Convert it into seconds. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Time taken to finish the yoga is equal to 45 minutes 30 seconds is equal to 45 into 60 seconds plus 30 seconds is equal to 2700 plus 30 seconds is equal to 2730 seconds. Seconds to minutes. To convert seconds to minutes, divide the number of seconds by 60. Example 10. Convert 420 seconds to minutes. 420 seconds is equal to 420 divided by 60 minutes is equal to 7 minutes. Answer 420 seconds is equal to 7 minutes. Example 11. Convert 250 seconds to minutes and seconds. 250 seconds is equal to 250 divided by 60 minutes is equal to 250 divided by 60 gives quotient 4 and remainder 10. So, 250 seconds is equal to 4 minutes 10 seconds. Addition of time. Example 12. Kittu spent 25 minutes 35 seconds on her English homework and 30 minutes 30 seconds in finishing her artwork. How much time did she spend in doing her homework? Step 1. Write under the same unit column. Step 2. Add the seconds. 35 plus 30 is equal to 65 seconds is equal to 60 seconds plus 5 seconds is equal to 1 minute plus 5 seconds. Write 05 in seconds column and carry over minute to the minutes column. Step 3. Add the numbers in the minute columns. Add the numbers in the minutes column. 25 plus 30 plus 1 is equal to 56 minutes. Answer 56 minutes 5 seconds. Example 13. Add 8 hours 45 minutes and 4 hours 35 minutes. Step 1. Write under the same unit column. Step 2. Add the minutes. 45 plus 35 is equal to 80 minutes is equal to 1 hour plus 20 minutes. Write 20 minutes in the minutes column and carry over 1 hour to hours column. Step 3. Add the hours. 8 plus 4 plus 1 is equal to 13. Answer 13 hours 20 minutes. Subtraction of time. Example 14. Subtract 12 minutes 45 seconds from 25 minutes 20 seconds. Step 1. In the same unit column, write the smaller number below the bigger number. Step 2. We cannot subtract 45 seconds from 20 seconds. So, regroup 25 minutes to 24 minutes plus 60 seconds. Now, 60 seconds plus 20 seconds is equal to 80 seconds. 80 minus 45 is equal to 35 seconds. Step 3. Subtract the minutes. 24 minus 12 is equal to 12 minutes. Answer 12 minutes 35 seconds. Example 15. Subtract 16 hours 35 minutes from 23 hours 25 minutes. Step 1. Write the smaller number below the bigger number in the same unit column. Step 2. 35 minutes cannot be subtracted from 25 minutes. So, regroup 23 hours to 22 hours plus 60 minutes. Now, 60 minutes plus 25 minutes is equal to 85 minutes. 85 minus 35 is equal to 50 minutes. Step 3. Subtract the hours. 22 minus 16 is equal to 6 hours. Answer: 6 hours 50 minutes. Applications. Example 16. Kid 2 played for 1 hour and 30 minutes and then studied for 1 hour and 25 minutes. Calculate the total time spent on the two activities. Time spent on playing: 1 hour 30 minutes. Time spent on studying: 1 hour 25 minutes. Total time spent is equal to 1 hour 30 minutes. 1 hour 30 minutes plus 1 hour 25 minutes is equal to 2 hours 55 minutes. Example 17. Kid 2 practiced for her dance competition for 2 hours and 5 minutes, then finished her homework in 1 hour and 20 minutes. On which activity did she spend more time and by how much? Time spent on dance practice is equal to 2 hours 5 minutes. Time spent on dance work. Time spent on homework is equal to 1 hour 20 minutes. She spent more time on dance practice. Difference in time: 2 hours 5 minutes minus 1 hour 20 minutes is equal to 45 minutes. She spent 45 minutes more on dance practice.